Hello and welcome. This video is intended for all Microsoft Teams mobile app users. In addition to your PC client and possibly a Teams handset, you can also use your mobile device for Teams interactions and conversations. We'll go over how to do that in this video. You can find the Microsoft Teams mobile app either in the App Store or Android Google Play. Search for the name Microsoft Teams. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll enter your email address or phone number associated with your Teams account and enter your Teams password provided to you by your administrator and click Sign In. Upon signing in to Teams, you'll be in your activity icon. The mobile app icons are Activity, Chat, Calendar, Calls, and you also have a More option. Activity provides you all the activity across your Teams, including missed calls and voicemail notifications. Chat shows all chat messages between you and other Teams members. You can send and receive chat messages here. The calendar icon is access to your Microsoft Calendar and is an easy way to join scheduled meetings. You can also schedule a Teams meeting here. Your calls icon. In this icon, you'll be able to make calls, access your speed dials if created, and access your voicemail and contacts. The More icon on the bottom right is an area that provides additional Teams-enabled options within your specific Teams environment. In the Teams mobile app, you're able to change your Teams present status. To do this, you'll click your initials or your profile picture on the top left corner of your app. You can change your status by choosing an available status listed. Note, if you choose Do Not Disturb, you will not receive any notifications of any sort across all devices, not just your mobile app. This is a nice option to use at the end of the day, rather than having to log out of each device you're logged into. For Microsoft Teams calling, you have a Calls icon. Within your Calls icon, you can access your speed dials and also your recent call history. You can click on any incoming or outgoing call to quickly call them back. It also allows you to make new outbound calls by clicking the phone handset icon on the bottom right corner. Clicking the handset icon allows you to have a dial pad to dial any 10-digit number from Teams. You can also click People to look up certain people, and you'll have access to your directory contacts, also your specific device contacts within your mobile, and any other contacts available. When you receive an incoming Teams call, your mobile phone will state Teams Audio, and your mobile will ring your Teams ringtone. To answer the call, click Accept, or you can click Decline to reject the Teams call. Note, if you click Decline, your caller will be routed to voicemail. Once you're on a Teams call, to operate that call, you have a mic on and off option to mute yourself. You also have a speaker option to change the speaker options of your mobile device. You can put your caller on hold. You can transfer the call to someone else. You have a dial pad option. And you also have a More option for such thing as Call Park, which is an optional feature. To end your call, click End Call. Also on another note, on the top right corner of your call window, you'll have a People icon. You can see the list of persons on your call. To place an existing call on hold, click Hold. Your caller will hear hold music. To resume the call, you'll simply click Resume. And again, to end the call, you can simply click End Call. You can transfer a Teams call one of two ways, a Transfer Now or Consult First. We'll go over the Transfer Now option. So when you're on a Teams call on your mobile device and you want to transfer to someone directly, click Transfer and then click Transfer Now. In the To field, you'll either enter a number or you can enter a contact name. To complete your Transfer Now, below where you've entered the name or number, click the number or the name that you've entered to transfer that person directly to the person that you've entered. Note that any time in the transfer process, you can click Cancel in the top left corner. To transfer using Consult First, this is where you want to contact or call the person that you're transferring your caller to first. You'll click Transfer and you'll choose Consult First. Again, you'll enter a name or a number and you'll click that name or number that you've chosen to call that specific name or number. Again, you can hit Cancel to cancel out of this option. Once you've clicked a contact or the actual number that you want to dial, you're actually dialing that person while the other person is on hold. The person you're talking to will be listed on the very top of your phone, and your first caller will be under them. You can switch callers at any time by clicking the Play option for each caller, placing the other caller on hold. To complete your Consult First transfer, putting your callers together, click the arrows that are pointing in each direction. Then you'll click Transfer. Your mobile app will say Transfer Complete. During a call, you can also add someone to your call, a conference call. So on your call window in the top right corner, you have a participants icon. Click the participants icon and add people. Add people can be a name or it can be a number. Once your name or number is entered, you're going to click Done. Once you click Done, you're actually adding that other name or number to your call. And note, while you're on a conference call, you can manage the call. If you click on a specific participant, you'll have options. Mute participant, disable their mic, disable their camera. You can pin that caller for easy visibility, and you can also remove them from the call. Park call is an optional feature within Teams. Your administrator will have to enable this for you to have access to it. If call park is enabled when you're on a call, you can click the More option. Click Park Call. Once you click Park Call, it'll state that your call is parked, providing you a code that you can remember or you can copy by clicking the copy icon. This code is very important. This is the code that you'll use for you or someone else to pick your caller up. So you can announce a caller is parked, and providing that code, you can use Teams Chat, for example. For someone on a mobile device to pick a caller up, once you're in your calls icon and you have your dial pad displayed, you'll have a call park option on the top right corner. Once you click your call park icon, enter the code they're parked on and click Pick Up. You are now on that call with that caller. If you wish to sign out of your Teams mobile app, again, if necessary, you'll click your icon on the top left corner. You can click your initials or your profile picture. Click Settings, and then choose Sign Out. A confirmation message will appear, and confirm by clicking Sign Out. We hope you've enjoyed this training and it's useful. If you have any training questions pertaining to Microsoft Teams, you can always email Fusion Training at fusionconnecttraining@fusionconnect.com.